if you want to delete your X Twitter account permanently using your iPhone or Android, for that, first you have to open up your X Twitter app, then hit your profile icon in the top left corner. Now scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on your account. From here, choose Deactivate your account. And from this page, you will notice a message saying that your account can still be restored within 30 days. So yeah, it's not an instant delete. Basically, once you deactivate it, your account will stay in that state for 30 days. If you don't log back in during that time, it will be permanently deleted. Now just hit deactivate, enter your account password, and confirm the process. See, your account is deactivated and all done. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.